The human reproductive system is a marvel of nature. It is responsible for the continuation of our species. This intricate system allows us to create new life and experience the joy of parenthood. Understanding how this system works is essential for appreciating the miracle of life. The male and female reproductive systems work together to achieve this goal. Each system produces specialized cells called gametes. In males, these gametes are called sperm. In females, they are called eggs or ova. When a sperm fertilizes an egg, a new life begins. This journey from fertilization to birth is a complex and fascinating process. It involves a delicate interplay of hormones, organs, and physiological processes. In this essay, we will delve into the intricacies of human reproduction, exploring the key players and their roles in this remarkable journey. The male reproductive system is responsible for producing and delivering sperm. It consists of both internal and external organs, each playing a crucial role in the process of reproduction. The testes, located in the scrotum, are the primary male reproductive organs. Within the testes, sperm production takes place in tiny coiled tubes called seminiferous tubules. These tubules are lined with specialized cells that undergo a process called meiosis to produce sperm. Millions of sperm are produced every day, ensuring a constant supply for potential fertilization. Once produced, sperm mature and are stored in a long coiled tube located on the back of each testis called the epididymis. During ejaculation, sperm travel from the epididymis through the vas deferens, a muscular tube that propels them upward. The seminal vesicles and prostate gland contribute fluids to the sperm, creating a milky white fluid called semen. Semen provides nourishment and protection for the sperm during their journey through the female reproductive tract. The female reproductive system is designed to produce eggs, receive sperm, and support the development of a fertilized egg into a baby. This complex system comprises internal and external organs working in harmony. The ovaries, two small almond-shaped organs located on either side of the uterus, are the primary female reproductive organs. They house and release eggs through a process called ovulation. Each ovary contains thousands of tiny sacs called follicles, each containing an immature egg. During ovulation, a mature egg is released from a follicle and travels into the fallopian tube. The fallopian tubes are thin, muscular tubes that connect the ovaries to the uterus. They serve as a pathway for the egg to travel from the ovary to the uterus. The uterus, also known as the womb, is a hollow, pear-shaped organ where a fertilized egg implants and develops into a fetus. The cervix is the lower part of the uterus that connects to the vagina, serving as the entry point for sperm and the exit point for menstrual blood in babies during childbirth. The menstrual cycle is a complex series of hormonal changes that prepare a woman's body for pregnancy. It is a monthly cycle that typically lasts between 28 and 35 days. The cycle is regulated by hormones including estrogen and progesterone produced by the ovaries. The cycle begins with menstruation, commonly known as a period. During menstruation, the lining of the uterus sheds, resulting in bleeding that typically lasts 3 to 7 days. This shedding is triggered by a drop in estrogen and progesterone levels when fertilization does not occur. Following menstruation, the follicular phase begins. During this phase, the pituitary gland in the brain releases follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. FSH stimulates the growth of follicles in the ovaries, each containing an immature egg. One follicle will become dominant and release a mature egg during ovulation. Ovulation, the release of a mature egg from the ovary, typically occurs around day 14 of the cycle. After ovulation, the egg travels down the fallopian tube. The luteal phase follows ovulation, during which the ruptured follicle transforms into a structure called the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum releases progesterone, which thickens the uterine lining in preparation for a fertilized egg. If fertilization does not occur, the corpus luteum degenerates, hormone levels drop, and menstruation begins, marking the start of a new cycle. Section 5. The Dance of Life. Fertilization and the journey begins. Fertilization, the union of sperm and egg, is a remarkable event that marks the beginning of a new life. During sexual intercourse, millions of sperm are deposited into the vagina. The sperm then embark on an arduous journey through the cervix, uterus, and fallopian tubes. Only a few hundred sperm survive the journey to reach the fallopian tube where fertilization occurs. If an egg is present in the fallopian tube, the sperm will surround it and attempt to penetrate its outer layer. The first sperm to successfully penetrate the egg's outer layer fuses with the egg, resulting in fertilization. This fusion creates a single cell called a zygote, which contains a complete set of chromosomes, half from the mother and half from the father. The zygote immediately undergoes cell division, beginning the journey of development. It travels down the fallopian tube, dividing and multiplying, becoming a ball of cells known as a blastocyst. Section 6. The placenta, a lifeline for the growing baby. As the blastocyst continues its journey down the fallopian tube, it eventually reaches the uterus. The blastocyst then implants into the uterine lining, a process that typically occurs about 6 to 10 days after fertilization. This implantation marks the beginning of pregnancy. Once implanted, the blastocyst continues to develop, forming the embryo and the placenta. The placenta is a remarkable organ that connects the developing baby to the uterine wall. It acts as a lifeline, providing oxygen and nutrients from the mother's bloodstream to the developing baby. The placenta also removes waste products from the baby's blood, preventing harmful substances from reaching the developing fetus. It also produces hormones essential for maintaining pregnancy, including progesterone and estrogen. The placenta grows throughout pregnancy, adapting to the increasing needs of the developing baby. It is a vital organ that plays a crucial role in the growth and development of the fetus. Section 7. The first trimester, a foundation for life. The first trimester of pregnancy is a time of rapid development for the embryo. During this period, the major organs and systems begin to form. The heart begins to beat and the neural tube, which will develop into the brain and spinal cord, forms. By the end of the first trimester, the embryo has grown into a fetus, and most of the major organs are in place. The fetus is about 3 inches long and weighs about an ounce. The first trimester is a critical period for fetal development, and it is important for pregnant women to take care of themselves and follow their healthcare provider's advice. Section 8. The second trimester, a time of growth and development. The second trimester of pregnancy is a time of continued growth and development for the fetus. The fetus grows larger and stronger and its organs mature. The mother may begin to feel the fetus move, known as quickening. During the second trimester, the fetus's senses develop, and it can hear sounds from the outside world. The fetus also begins to develop its own sleep-wake cycle. The second trimester is often considered the most comfortable period of pregnancy for many women. Morning sickness typically subsides and energy levels may increase. Section 9. The third trimester, preparing for birth. The third trimester of pregnancy is a time of final preparation for birth. The fetus continues to grow and gain weight, and its lungs mature in preparation for breathing outside the womb. The mother's body also undergoes changes to prepare for labor and delivery. During the third trimester, the fetus moves into a head-down position in preparation for birth. The mother's cervix begins to soften and thin, a process known as effacement. The third trimester can be a physically demanding time for the mother, as the growing fetus puts pressure on her organs and back. It is important for pregnant women to rest and take care of themselves during this time. Section 10. The importance of understanding reproductive health. Understanding reproductive health is crucial for both men and women. It empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their bodies, relationships, and family planning. Reproductive health encompasses a wide range of topics, including menstrual health, understanding the menstrual cycle, managing menstrual symptoms, and seeking care for any irregularities, sexually transmitted infections or STIs, knowing how to prevent STIs, getting tested regularly, and seeking treatment if necessary. Contraception. Understanding the different types of contraception available, their effectiveness, and potential side effects. Infertility. Recognizing the signs and symptoms of infertility and seeking treatment options. By prioritizing reproductive health, individuals can take control of their reproductive well-being and make informed choices that align with their values and goals. Section 11. Conclusion. Celebrating the beauty of life's journey. The human reproductive system is a testament to the power and complexity of nature. From the creation of sperm and eggs to the development of a fetus, each step is a marvel of biology. Understanding the intricacies of human reproduction allows us to appreciate the miracle of life and the importance of reproductive health. By gaining knowledge about our bodies and how they function, we can make informed decisions about our reproductive well-being. Whether it is planning a family, preventing unwanted pregnancies, or seeking treatment for reproductive health issues, knowledge is power. Let us celebrate the beauty of life's journey, from conception to birth and beyond, and embrace the responsibility of caring for our reproductive health.